Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to unpack and install our YYG electric bicycles. So step 1, unpack. Take out the protective foam. Take off the front wheel. Then remove the protective foam. This is the headlight. This is the user manual. These are the pedals. These are the sticker pads. These are the keys. And this is the charger. And this is the tire axis. This is the front fender. This is the kickstand. And this is the tire pump. First, install the handlebars. Take the smallest Allen wrench. Make sure the focus point is in the middle of the circle here. So take the small Allen wrench and undo the screws. So lift up the handlebars and align the focus point into the middle. Next, install the kickstand. So take off the screws and then adjust. Take the number 10 spanner to tighten. Next, install the front funnel. First, take out the screws. 2 small screws down here. 1 and 2. And then take out the big screw. Notice the shortest distance should come out the front. Then take out the big screw. Just like this. And the longest distance should be at the back. Now we can Next, install the wheel. First, take off the covers. Next, install the front tire. First, take off the covers. Next, install the wheel. Align the tire bolt with the hole here. Next, install the tire axis. First, separate the 2 springs. Next, put in the tire axis. Unscrew. Take off the first. Very important, put the small hole first. And then screw. And then tighten. Adjust the handle here to tighten. Next, install the pedals. CL for the left side, CR for the right side. Look at the arrow for the rotation direction. R for the right side. Once again, use the spanner to tighten. Spanner to tighten. Next, install the headlight. First, take out the screws. Then apply the 4 sticker pads. And put this into the second slot. Put the grip into the second slot. Okay, then attach the grips. Make sure the grip goes into the second slot. Again, and then screw. So use the Allen wrench and the spanner to make it tighter. And then install the headlight. Make sure the small dot there finds the hole in here. Next, install the phone stand. So open the box. So first put on the red cover. And then put on the bolt at the small side first. Push on this. And make sure the bolt is facing at the top. Unscrew and then install. Make sure the hold here goes in slot number 2. Tighten the bolt here. First, open the bottom latches at the bottom. Push the 2 open buttons. Find your phone, slot inside and push to make it tight. So how to charge the bike? First, connect the cables. And then open the charging port. And then find the charging end of the cable. You can see the 3 pins here. And then open the port. Align the pins with the holes here. And push in. So here, when it shows red, it means it needs to charge. If it shows green, it means it is fully charged. Or you can also take the battery home to charge. First, find the keys. And then plug the keys in. Turn left. And then pull out the battery. Then you can take the battery home to charge. So you can take this home to charge and put it in the corner of your room. So again, it's the same process. Plug in the charger, match up the 3 pins and put in the holes. Now we've finished the installation, let's test the performance. Switch on the e-bike. Press the button here. Let's test the horn. Press this one here. Let's test the headlight. Or turn up and down the gears. The bike has a maximum of 5 gears. Twist here for the accelerator. Let's try. Kick up the stand and we're ready to go.